Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is also another day. We want to trade EURUSD, and as you can see there was an upward movement and right now the market is bearish. So I entered some two trades and yeah, let's see how it goes. I used a high lot size to avoid those a lot of tiny trades than to put just two trades running. So yeah, I'm anticipating the market is going to go bearish and we cash in some profits. So yeah, as you can see, this is not a big account, but balance is $252. So yes, let's see how it goes. Yes, so the market is bearish, is going down, so just the way I anticipated, just the way I predicted. Always when you have the right knowledge, the market has to obey you in one way or the other. So man, sweet profits, blue gang. So today's target is, I don't know, maybe 150, 200, or I don't know. Let's see how. But my initial targets are always $100. Yes. So we'll be back when I hit my target. So I use a very simple strategy to predict the market. This is something that you can learn. Anyone can learn if you want to know. Yes, only profit. So if you're interested, join my free WhatsApp group, my free Telegram group. I teach you how to trade Forex in a very smart way. Yeah, although there are losses, but very minimum. In a week I can lose maybe once or twice. So it's a very smart way making money. Although I was late, I was to enter this trade at the beginning of the second candle, at the beginning of this current candle, but you know, anyways, we are in profit, so there is no regrets. You make money. So yeah, yes. This is how we do it every single day, every single day. So if you want a challenge, comment in the comment section. Maybe if you want to see me pull up to $1,000, maybe $500, yeah, you can comment. Or if you want maybe to get my signals, how I trade, you can join my free groups. The links are in the description. When we both make money. So yes, at a 200, I don't know. We see how the market goes. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, I already hit my target, and now we're about to cash out. Easy money every day. Just go for a few pips, make your target, and that's it. I was to cash out at 100, 150, but let me close at 200. So yep. So Easy $200. This is something you can do. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. There's a free Telegram group, in the WhatsApp group, in the comment, in the description box. Thank you guys.